My only thing right now is that this pin right here, right there, it's not coming out. This pin is out, but this one's not out. So I don't want to put too much pressure. You can see it went through. Or at least let me get my flashlight so I can show you guys. So let me see. Yeah, you can see it went through partially. I don't know if the pin is broken or not. I didn't hear it snap off during my operation, but there we go. Yeah, it looks broken. Yeah, it's broken. Alright, well now I got that out of the way. Pretty sure I didn't break that, but who knows, we'll see.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.